is up everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric skillet series today, we're going to be unboxing the Presto 06857 Foldaway skillet. Why is it foldaway? Well, let's open it up and see as we go through the parts and features. Okay, see the skillet, flip it upside down. And the entire thing just slide right out. Okay, put this to the side. Remove the foam pads. Let's remove plastic cover. Here we have the lid, tempered glass, cool touch handle, metal etching, but no steam vent. Here we have the thermostat. It has warm, which I guess should be 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 200, 250, 300, 350, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna unwrap the cord. Okay, so the cord is a little bit more than 10 inches long, which is a little bit short for my liking, but should be enough for your table or kitchen counter. So to the side, okay. Now this is what makes the skillet fold away. Here we have the detachable handles. Here's our pan. Okay, it's the instruction manual, recipe book, and label warning, which I'll peel off because we're going to test the pan right away. Okay, now let's try assembling this. Okay, clip the handles in. Stir in the top, which is great. Let's try plugging the thermostat in. Okay, no problem whatsoever. Awesome. Now let's give the skillet a test for its heating time by boiling 1 liter of water. I'm going to pour in 1 liter of water. It comes up to about like less than 1/5 of the depth, which means that the volume of this is very high. Great. Close the lid. I have here a timer. Okay, I have a thermostat. The thermometer to let me know when the water has reached a rolling boil. I didn't get to it earlier, but you can see that there's a spout to remove the liquid in the pan, which is great for us. Okay, close it. Turn it on. I'm gonna turn it to 400 degrees F, which is the highest temperature setting. You can see a little light indicator over here, which is orange. Turn on the thermometer. Okay, so boiling water in your skillet is actually a very good before first you practice because it can help you remove all the dirt and maybe unwanted odor that accumulated during the delivery process. And once we dump out all the water, we can get a quick look at how good the non-stick coating is as well. Okay, so I see that the water has started to evaporate. Let's see when it comes to a rolling boil. You can see the steam escaping out from the spout. So it actually doesn't need the steam vent on the lid. Okay, 8 minutes and 30 seconds, which is significantly slower than some of the other skillets I've seen, but it's possibly just because of the sheer capacity of the skillet. Okay, now let's check the exterior temperature. The lid handle, 100 degrees F, still cool, no hot at all. The base handle, same thing, still cool. Now the lid, around 200, so yes, very hot. The pan, same thing, 220, it's very hot as well. Be careful not to touch them. I'm going to stop, open the lid. As you can see, no no heat at all. Feels very good in the hand, very sturdy, although quite heavy, I might add. Remove the thermostat. I'm going to see you again in a few seconds. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, all the water flows cleanly right off. So that must mean the non-stick coating is pretty good. But let's put this to the real test and try frying some eggs. Okay, here's what we need. 2 eggs. The pan seems to be quite hot, but how do you know if it's hot enough? But this is a test to it by putting a few droplets of water in. So you can see these droplets of water just running around like this, and the pan is hot enough. So I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit and spray some cooking oil, then crack in the eggs. 1 and 2. Okay, broke this. This should be fine. Just not gonna touch the eggs at all. You can see how well the non-stick coating is. You can see the eggs quickly cooking. Okay, the eggs have solidified. Let's see if they stick at all. Okay, you can see over there. Okay, no stickness whatsoever. Take another look. Swirl it around. No stickness. No eggs on the pan. Great. Okay, that concludes the unboxing of this Presto non-stick electric skillet. First impression, solid design, great capacity, but of course the best thing about it is the fold-away feature. With this, it's easy to store and put in the dishwasher for cleaning as well. Performance-wise, the heating time is a little bit slower than other skillets that I have seen, but the non-stick coating seems to be very good. But of course, these are speculations. We'll dive more into the design, the usability, and of course the performance of this electric skillet, where we do a video cooking, maybe some steak, some pancakes, and caramelizing sugar. So wait and see. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this video, please consider like and subscribe to our channel Healthy Kitchen 101. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!